Welcome back, guys, to another video. I've been waiting a long time to do this. You can tell the clear coat on the driver fender is just completely fading apart. It wasn't this bad a few months ago. It was just a little piece. I should have fixed it then and there, but now it's just tearing apart. Look, that looks terrible. So I'm finally gonna get it fixed, and I'm gonna use the color, by the way, for these blue for is300s is an intense blue pearl. It is code A&A, so if you do need to get some, you can get, like, you know, a few ounces for like 20 bucks or so. So we're gonna get that painted, but before we do, I got to sand it. We're gonna get it very finely sanded. We're gonna remove the clear coat, and then we're going to remove a little bit of the paint, but we don't want to go down to the primer. We don't want to go down to the metal, especially. We're just gonna remove a little bit of paint. We're gonna remove all the clear coat, and then we're gonna hit it a few coats with the paint, and then we're gonna finish it off with this clear coat in the can. Some very toxic, deadly stuff here, guys. So we're gonna make sure I wear a mask, and then we're gonna be using the garage for our little, what are those called, getting it prepped in here. And then we're gonna probably open up the window, get a small fan, so it releases all the toxin, fumes, and liquor and all that stuff out of here. Hopefully we can get this done before it starts getting too hot. After about an hour, that's what we got right there, looking pretty good. I shaved quite a bit off. Some parts I even took off, even up to the metal, which is not good, so I'm gonna have to hit that with a little bit of a primer on those areas, and then I can go ahead and hit it with the paint, and then after a few coats, and then I'll be ready for my clear coat. By the way, I used a 400 grit sandpaper. That's why it took me long time, but if you wanted to, you could go with like 300 or even like a 250 around there. But just be careful, because you can, especially with the sander, you can get into the metal pretty quick. So I would be on the safe side and go with the 400, and even with the 400 I got it down to the metal in some parts. Don't have to worry about this. This is just paint. I just want the clear coat off. That's the most important thing. But I just got to I'm probably gonna have to get some, I gotta cover this some way, because I don't want to overspray on this, and then maybe cover up on here, and then we should be good. So before I do that, I want to wipe it down though with some alcohol and a microfabric towel. So we got already our 2 coats of regular paint. Why am I talking like that? I got my 2 coats of regular paint already. Looks really good. I let it dry about 15 minutes or so between each coat. And so I'm gonna finish it off with 2K clear coat. And this is gonna be, oh my goodness, this is gonna be a nice clear coat. I don't have to put it in the gun. It's just already ready to go. And all you gotta do, oh god, take this special thing out, put it in the back, put it in the bottom, and it's gonna activate. just like that. I hear it already, something in there. Okay, now we're gonna shake it up real good for about 2 minutes. That's gonna be good for our first coat. And then we'll probably do maybe 2 more after this. With 3 coats, we should be good enough. Alright, so 15 minutes has gone by already. Looks pretty good. And so it's still really dusty around here. So I got a fan here to kind of keep the dust away and throw it outside. It's the next day. And oh my goodness, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. Take a look at that. The fender is done. It looks great. It's got the shine, the clear coat, the 2K. It really stands out real good. Now I'm letting it here out in the sun. It's a super hot day today, like 99 degrees, something like that it's supposed to be today. So it's Memorial Day, so it's a perfect day to just let it bake out here in the sun. Look at this, guys. I know it's dusty a little bit, that's no big deal. Tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is probably tonight I'll wash it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get like a 2 or 3,000 sand grit. I'm gonna sand out, wet sand actually, the clear coat, so it's gonna really make it nice and smooth, really make it glossy. It's just gonna bring it out so much more. And then I'll polish it, buff it out, then polish it right after. So that's what you want to do, but I'm gonna wait another day or 2, so it'll be tomorrow in this case before I do that. I already showed you how to do that on the channel, so I'm not gonna show you another video of how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So I'm gonna go inside. It's just stupid hot out here, guys. Number 1, when doing this, doing a fender or anything, it's probably gonna be best to take it off, like a hood or a fender, you know, spoiler, stuff like that. But in my case, I didn't want to. I had some extra tarps and I had some paper, so I was gonna use it to my benefit, so I didn't need to take it off. But if you want to, you could always do that. It's not that difficult more. But for those that don't have the tire cover and the tarps and all that paper, and you don't want to go through the hassle because it does take a long time to prep everything, your better bet to do is just to go ahead and just take it off and work with it outside. But in my case, I don't know why I didn't do it. But if you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know. I definitely want to help you guys out. On IG too, you can send me a DM. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. What was I else gonna say? Car meets probably not gonna happen sometime this year because of the whole quarantine stuff. But we had so many videos lined up in Vegas and LA, but this year has been hectic because of the quarantine and stuff like that. So sorry about that, guys, but we'll do some more videos for you, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye. What the heck happened over here? All right, so 15 minutes. What am I doing?
Oh, it stinks.
Hold on to it.
What about me?
Oh yeah, where's your mess?
Whew.
Why is there no water in here? Why?